So we have a new topic, operators in SQL. I'll repeat. We have a new topic, operators in SQL, and we have totally 7 types of operators. We have totally 7 types of operators. The first one is arithmetic operator, concatenation, comparison, relational, logical, special, and subquery operators. I'll repeat. We have totally 7 types of operators. The first one is arithmetic operator, concatenation, comparison, relational, logical, and then special operator along with subquery operator. So arithmetic operator, which means where I can add some salaries, deduct some salaries. So we'll see this one. Right? Star from here. So we have here salary of monthly salary. What in case if I want to uh, I want to hike somebody's salary like James. I want to hike James' salary with 20%. So how can I do it? Select salary plus sal into 20 divided by 100 from EMP, where E name is equal to single quoted James. So if I want to increase somebody's salary with any percentage, 20%, 30%, so I can increase their salary using these arithmetic operator. So we have plus, we have multiplication, we have division, and of course, we can deduct their salary as well. So this is James' salary, which is increased with 20% of his monthly. So this is the James salary, which is increased with 20% of his current monthly salary. So that is arithmetic operator. In case if I want to do the same, I want to decrease his salary with 20%. Decrease. I'll do with minus. So from these 950, 20% of salary is decreased. So it is 760. So this is arithmetic operator. We just use this arithmetic operator for hiking the salary or deducting the salary. And then concatenation. Any idea what is concatenation? Concatenation?
Joining two.
Yes. So concatenation is nothing but joining any two columns at a time. So concatenation. I'll repeat. As you can see here. So concatenation operator is nothing but it is used to merge or join or combine two strings. It is used to combine two strings. For example, I'm having employee number here and I'm having department number here. I want to join these two columns at a time. So what I'll do? Select EMP number, concatenate, that is two parallel line, DEPT number from EMP. So those two numbers will be joined. I can join any other column as well. Department, employee number, concatenate, salary. So employee number, salary. Or I can concatenate name and job. name and job. So I can join any two strings at a time. So that is concatenation. Then third one, comparison. We have seen this one, where department number is equal to 10, where salary is equal to 2000. So that is, it is nothing. We can skip this one. Then coming to relational operator. Relational, even we have seen this one. Salary greater than 3000, salary less than 2000, that one. And then logical operator. Is it clear till here? Done with arithmetic operator? Asif and team? Concatenation? Comparison? Girish, clear so far?
Yes, Ram.
Yes, yes.
Rashika? Teja? Hari? Clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is relation operator, which we have seen yesterday. Like,
Yes, sir.
yes, salary greater than 2000.
Clear, sir, clear.
Good. Salary less than 3000. So that is relational operator. Then the next one, logical operators. Logical, this is important. The one which we have, which I have marked as star. The one which I have marked as star, the fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. These are the most used from all these seven. So we'll see one by one. With respect to five, that is logical operators, we have and, or, not. Let us see what is and operator, logical and operator, logical or operator, and logical not operator. So here we have logical operators, that is and or not. So logical operators is used to write multiple conditions inside where clause. So yesterday we have seen this with respect to this one, selection, where we had three clauses: select, from, and where. So in where clause is used to filter the conditions, and in where clause we can write condition or we can write multiple conditions, and that is true with the help of logical operators. If I want to write multiple conditions, we have to use logical operators, that is and or not. So that yesterday we have seen with respect to where clause, where department number is equal to 10, where job is equal to salesman, where salary less than 2000, salary greater than 3000. So that was one condition, just one condition. But in case if they ask for multiple conditions, 2, 3, 4, any number of conditions, in such case, we have to use either and or not. Any one should be used based on the conditions. So we'll see how to use this one. Once again, logical operators and or not. So it is used to write multiple conditions inside where clause. And we have three types of logical operators: and, or, not. So and says, and logical operator says, it returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. I repeat, in the where clause, if I use and operator for solving the multiple condition, for writing the multiple conditions, all the conditions should be satisfied. All the conditions should be satisfied. Then only it will give the output, which means, let me give you a practical example. So consider this is our classroom. This is our IT mentor classroom. This is the door. So what I'll ask you people to, so I'll tell that tomorrow from Monday, 11 a.m. I'll be taking SQL classes and everyone should join. Everyone should join. We have hardly 15 students. We have hardly 15 students. And I'll ask everyone in the group. So everyone must join the session, everyone. And I'll also mention that even if one misses, I'll not take the session. I'll repeat. Totally we have 15 students, and my condition is each and everyone should join the session. Everyone, all the 15 students should be joined. And I'll also tell one condition that even if one misses, anyone from 15, even if one misses, I'll not take the session. In the same way, which means student 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 14 and 15 students. All the 15 students must join the session. Then I can start the session. Even if one misses, anyone from 1 to 15, even if one student misses, I'll not take the session. Which means all the students should be they should attend the session, then only I can take the session. Even if one misses, I'll not take the session. With respect to these and operators also, using where clause, I'll write here. So select from where. So I'll write here where salary greater than 2000, first condition, and salary less than 3000, second condition, and job is equal to salesman, and employee number is equal to 7839. So here I have given 4 conditions: condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, condition 4, which means all these 4 conditions should be satisfied, which means the condition which we are writing, that should be present from the database, even if one is correct. So the first one, second one, third one, these 3 are correct. The last one is not correct. It is wrong. Even if it is wrong, we will not get the output. Even though the first condition, second condition, and third conditions are correct, but still we will not get the output. Which means whatever the number of conditions we are writing with respect to where clause using and operator, all those conditions should be satisfied. So that's what we have written here. It returns true, which means it gives the output only in case if all the conditions are satisfied. Whatever the number of conditions we are giving, we are writing, those number of conditions should be satisfied, all the conditions. So even if one condition is not satisfied, the remaining whichever conditions that are correct, even they won't be giving any output. So that is AND operator. Then coming to OR operator, it returns true if all the conditions are not this one. So it returns true if any one of the condition is satisfied. OR operator says it returns true if one of the conditions also satisfied. So same example, we have 15 students. I'll ask you people to join the session by tomorrow, and I'll tell that even if one comes, I'll start the session. Even if one comes. So it's up to you people whether you should come or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number. Even if 15 people come, I'll start the session. Even if just one student comes, just one, still I'll start. Which means even though the 14 students are not attending the session, I don't mind. I'll still start the session. In the same way, with respect to OR operator, whatever the number of conditions we are giving, for example, here I have given like AND. Instead of AND, I'll use OR. OR, 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 and OR. So I have used 4 conditions. I have given 4 conditions. So this is not satisfied. This is also not satisfied. This is also not satisfied. The last one is just satisfied. Just last one is satisfied. So I'll get the output for the last one. I'll get the output for the last one. I'll not get the output for this one, the second condition or the third condition. In case if 2 conditions are not correct and the remaining 2 conditions are correct, so I'll get the output for 2 conditions, which means the number of conditions that are satisfied, for the same number of output we will be getting. The number of conditions that are not satisfied, we will not get the output for that. So that is OR. Either this one, the satisfied one, or the one which is present in the database. So I'll repeat, or either this or this. Even if both comes, it's okay. Even if one comes, it's okay. Even if doesn't come, no. So even when any one of the conditions should be satisfied. So you'll understand this with practicals little later. Then coming to not logical operator. Not. What is not? It is a inverse operator. It is a inverse operator. The selected values will gets rejected. Not logical operator. So I'll ask once again. Not logical operator says it is a inverse operator. What is inverse? Reverse. It is a reverse operator, which means the selected values will gets rejected. So the same example again. Here I'm having a student 1 to 15. I'll ask student 15 to not join my session. Student 15, I'll particularly mention him or her. So whoever it is, student 15, I don't want this person to join my session, which means except this person, the remaining can join. Except 15, the remaining can join. Or if I select 2, I'll select 2 and I'll tell him or her, you don't join my session. So except her, the remaining can join because I just know I just marked this person. I'm just targeting this particular person. So that person should not attend, which means I'm not pointing to the remainings. They can join. In the same way, here in the with respect to SQL, whatever the data we are selecting from the database, except that I want remaining. The selected one will be rejected. So we'll see one by one. Make a heading, logical operators, and or not. Make a heading. Make a subheading, and operator. Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write a query. Write a query. One second. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of employees, details of employees who are who are working as a salesman, who are working as a salesman in in department number 30. So I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display details of employees who are working as a salesman in department number 30. So I'll go with one. So select details of the employees, right? So select star from EMP
From EMP,
where
where job is equal to solution.
job is equal to single
To
quote
salesman
salesman
and department number
and
30.
30.
department number is equal to
30.
30. So here, see, the first condition is job should be salesman, and the second condition is depart number is 30. In case if I make it 20, if I make it 20, I'll get no rows selected because the people who are working as a salesman, they are working in depart number 30 only, not depart number 10 or 20. They are working in depart number 30. So if both the conditions are satisfied, then we will get the output. That's what we have read. AND operators returns true if all the conditions is satisfied. That means whatever the number of conditions we are writing, condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, any number of conditions, all those should be satisfied. It should be valid. Even if one condition is not satisfied, we will get like this, no rows selected. See, we have job. We have job as salesman. At least we would have got this one. Of course, we have depart number 20. We would have got this one also. But we don't have salesmen who are working in depart number 20. We have salesmen who are working in depart number 30. So both the conditions should be satisfied. Then only AND operator returns true. Is it clear? Hari?
Yes, sir.
In
Clear,
case,
sir.
yes, good. Copy this one. Done. Next query. Next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of the employees, details of the employees who are who are getting who are getting salary greater than 2000 in department number 20. I'll repeat. Write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2000 in department number 20. Any answer? Any answer?
Select star from employee
Select star from EMP
where salary
Greater than 2000
2000
Okay.
and department
and department number 20.
Department number is equal to
is equals to 20.
20. So both the conditions satisfied, we will get the output. In case if I make this as 40, no row selected. So both the conditions should be satisfied. Copy this one. So make an next subheading or logical operator. So or logical operator says it returns true even if one of the condition is satisfied. Even if one of the condition is satisfied, it returns true. So write a query on this. Write a query to display details of the employees, details of the employees who are working as a salesman, who are working as a salesman or working in department number 20. So write a query to display details of the employees who are working as a salesman or working in department number 20. Any answer? Select. Any answer?
Select star from EMP where
Wait.
Job is
job in
equals to
Yeah, job in or equals to
salesman or
or
department number is equals to 20.
department number is equal to 20. See, I got both. See, I got many, not both. See, job is equal to salesman. We know that the people who are working as a salesman, they are working in department number 30. They are working in department number 30. So we have also got department number 30, 30, 30, 30. Along with 30, we have also got department number 20 because I have given both the conditions. Who are working as a salesman. I want the details of the employees who are working as a salesman. If you don't find, that means I'll repeat once again. I'm asking the compiler, see compiler, I want the details of the employees who are working as a salesman. If you don't find the details of salesman, or at least give me the details of the people who are working in department number 20. But here in the database, there are some people who are working as a salesman. So we will get the details of those people, and along with that, we will also get the details of the people who are working in department number 20. So here, both the conditions are satisfied. So we have got the output. In case, if I make it 40, now I'll just get salesman. See, I've just got, because here one condition is satisfied. Only job is equal to salesman is satisfied, but here we don't have department number 40, so it is not satisfied. So this is the details of employees who are working as a salesman, only salesman. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, copy that, this one. Yeah, this one. Copy this. Done with this? Next query. Next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Details of the employees. Details of the employees who are getting salary, greater than 3,000 or the employees should be the employees should be working as a clerk. I'll repeat. Write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 3,000, or the employees should be working as a clerk. Any answer? Any answer?
Select star EMP where salary greater than 3,000 or job is equal to clerk.
Yes. So select star from EMP where
Salary greater than 3,000
salary greater than 3,000 or
or job is equal to clerk.
job is equal to single coded clerk.
Single quote.
Yes. So I'm asking the compiler. See, compiler, I want the details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 3,000. If you don't find, or at least get me the details of the people who are working as a clerk. So here, both are satisfied. Both the conditions are satisfied. So there are some people who are working as a clerk in different departments. So we have got all of them. So clerk, 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 clerk. And along with that, there is just one person who is getting salary greater than 3,000 and his name is King. So when we have got that details as well. So this is how OR operator is used. Copy this one. We have one last query of this. Copy this one.
Select star from EMP where DAPT number is equal to 10 or 20.
One second, I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display employee name and the department number of employees who are working in the department number 10 or department number 20. So select name.
Select
Yes.
e-name, comma, department number, where department number is equals to 10 or
Repeat.
department number is equals to 20.
It is where department number is equal to 10
Or 20.
department number is equal to 20. Correct. So we have got both the department number 10 and 20. So copy this. So make an extra subheading. Not logical operator. Not logical operator. So write a query on not logical operator. Not. So what is not? It says it is an inverse operator, which means the value which we will select, the same value will be rejected. The selected one will be rejected and the non-selected one will be reflected. So not logical operator. Write a query. We'll solve two queries on this. Write a query to display. Write a query to display name and department number of employees, name and department number of employees who are not working in department number 20. I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display name and department number of employees who are not working in department number 20. So the query says, I want the name and department number of employees, but not from department number 20. Any queries? Any answer? Select
Select T name, comma department number
name, comma department number
from employee EMP,
from EMP employee.
where not department number is equals to 20.
Not department number is equal to 20. So I don't have 20 here. So this is same as the previous one. Once again, so select name, comma department number from EMP, where department number is equal to 20. So this is the query, which means I want the name and department number of employees, especially who are working in department number 20. The second one, this one, this is the query which we have written to get the name and department number of employees who are working in department 20. So I will just get the people's name and their department number who are working in department number 20. But in the first query here, I want the name and department number of employees, but not from the people who are working in department 20. I don't want department number 20, which means except that I want the remaining. So here I don't have department number 20, but we just have 10 and 30 because not. Don't select the name and department number from these department number, not from department number 20, except this 20, I want the remaining. So this is not. The selected values will be rejected. So this is the value which we have selected, department number 20, and the same value is rejected. Is it clear? Is it clear? Srihari and team? Asif, Dikshita, Girish, Harshita, Salman, Teja.
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Copy this. Copy this. Copy one last query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display name and the department number of employees. Name and department number of employees who are not working in department number 10. Name and department number of employees who are not working in department number 10. Any answer? Select name, comma, department number
Department number
from
Key
EMP.
name, department number, employees.
from employee, where not department number 10 is equals to 10.
Not the department number is equal to 10.
10.
So I not get 10. We have just got 20 and 30. Copy this one.